trackBy role is to enhance the app performance, and doing that by eliminating any unnecessary memory allocation. Here in app.component.as, we have a variable programming languages, and we have a method called addElements where we assign an array of 4 objects to programming languages. Here each object has a field ID, which is unique and has a language field. Now let's head to app.component.html. Here in our template, we render the programming languages array in a list, and we have a button where we bind the addElements method to a click event. Now let's head to the browser. And here we only have the addElements button. Now let's inspect the page. Let's go to body, uproot, UL, and it's 70 for now. Now let's click on addElements, and the list now is populated. Now let's click again on addElements, and again. Now you can notice the flash, and that indicates that each time we click on addElements, it repopulates the list and allocate new memory to the items, despite there are no change in the array. Now let's go back to our app. In app.component.html, after the first expression of ngFor, we put a semicolon, trackBy with a capital B, we put a colon, and we name the method we want to use. Let's call it trackBy demo. Now let's go to app.component.as, and we implement the method. This method takes 2 parameters, index and the item we are passing. And it returns now it returns lang if first part is if lang is not null, it returns lang.id, else it returns undefined. Now let's go back to our browser. Let's inspect the page, go to body, uproot, UL, and let's click on addElements. Now the list is populated. Now let's click again on addElements. And here we can notice that the flashlight is disappeared. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.